Hello, this is novaTopFlex, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate the package manager. In this demonstration, I'm going to demonstrate how to install sudo and try to find the sudoers file and set it up on an OpenBSD system. So first of all, on an OpenBSD system, the package manager is pkg_add. I already just added bash. Bash is not actually a normal feature of OpenBSD. In this time, I'm going to add sudo. It is ambiguous, so choose package for sudo. You can do sudo gettext, sudo gettext ldap. So what is the difference between sudo gettext, and sudo ldap? So I believe it's light right directory access protocol, and then gettext refers to its internationalization support. So now, I'm not going to do LDAP, I'm going to do the sudo gettext. This is basically sudo with internationalization and localization supports. Localization is L10N, internationalization is I18N. So in this case, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to continue on with the additional features and functionality of the setup. So now, is nano available by default? Usually it isn't, so I'm going to do the following. I'm going to do pkg add nano. It's going to try to find GNU Nano if available. Now, most distributions of BSD, just like Linux, just like even Solaris, will allow you to use Nano. Sometimes they'll give you the release version. I think that might just be a FreeBSD thing. I think it's FreeBSD they did it on rather than NetBSD. But this is actually an OpenBSD system for 64-bit. So this is 64-bit OpenBSD. If you want proof that this is 64-bit OpenBSD, I'm going to do uname-a. Yep, AMD 64. It is AMD 64. Therefore, it is 64-bit. It's the same thing as saying x86 64, by the way. And then now, I'm going to check ls/etc. Usually, it's going to be user local, I believe, etc sudoers if you're on a FreeBSD system doing this. But I'm doing this here. I'm going to do nano/etc/sudoers. And then I'm going to do force password actually as opposed to no password, but I am going to try to exit and then exit again, and then I'm going to go to novaTopFlex, which is what I normally do on my host system, by the way, as well. And I'm going to do the following to test sudo out. Sudo ls. It works, actually. So this is sudo, super user do. And then are there a few other things I could do? I would like to do cat/etc/shells and then chsh. And then, unfortunately, man chsh, change shell. And then I would like to do the following. chsh/user/local/bin/bash. That's an unknown user, obviously. What if I want to change it on myself? chsh-s/user/local/bin/bash novaTopFlex. My default shell has officially changed. I would recommend that I actually don't want to change the shell on any root user on any system actually, but here I'm now officially on bash with sudo, and I'm still on OpenBSD. If you like this type of content and would like to learn more OpenBSD content, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, try to hack the YouTube algorithm, and thanks for watching, signing off.